Hi, and welcome to 2018 North Cedarwood here in Ozark, Missouri. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage. It has over 1,600 square feet and is located in a nice area on a cul-de-sac lot. Let's come on in and take a look. There you can see there's a coat closet there. This gas log fireplace. It has the high ceiling treatments with a ceiling fan here. Floors here with a nice dining area. Dining area right here. Nice big open area. This does have a brand new microwave. It now has been installed. Plenty of cabinets. Has a great pantry right here. And it has a separate closed off laundry room just right here next to the garage. As you can see, it also does have a dishwasher and refrigerator. I'm going to go ahead and go on out to the back patio. Here's a canopy that can be uh, left here or removed, whatever the tenant prefers. Here's a nice back patio. Now we'll go on in and take a look at the rest of the home. We'll go on into the master bedroom here. Really nice sized bedroom here. Again, the nice ceiling treatments, ceiling fans. Good sized room here. It does have a walk-in shower as well as a tub and double walk-in closets. These are huge, wonderful closets right here. See that there's a second one just like it right there. Go on out into the rest of the home. Here is the second bath. Tub shower right there. It also has a nice little laundry closet, linen closet right here. Here is the second bedroom. Nice bedroom with a ceiling fan right here. And here is the third bedroom. And again, the ceiling fans. And you can kind of see here the closet. And there you have 2018 North Cedarwood here in Ozark. We look forward to seeing you.